Booking mistakes to avoid in Hertz. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First mistake, not reading change cancel terms for prepaid booking. You can also find this in the help center by going to Pay Now and Save page. Make sure you read cancel terms for prepaid booking and another booking before confirming required ID and payments. Make sure you have your ID and payment before confirming. And another is forgetting to set a different drop-off location properly. Sometimes not adding drop-off location properly may cause some issues. And the last one, choosing few options without understanding refunds and charges, as few options are three, which is Hertz will refuel for you, Hertz will refuel for you, and you refuel prior to return. And this is common booking mistakes to avoid in Hertz. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.